Ever pondered if the secret to a healthy heart could be hiding in your kitchen? Well, the answer might be yes. Garlic, the humble culinary staple, could be your heart's best friend. Packed with allicin, garlic not only adds flavor to your food, but it also opens up a world of health benefits, especially for your heart. Now it's time to go beyond the traditional garlic bread and pasta and explore some refreshing and nutritious garlic smoothies. Sounds unusual? Stick around and you might find your new favorite heart-healthy drink. First up is the Garlic and Green Delight. For this, you'll need 2 cloves of garlic, a handful of spinach, 1 green apple, half a cucumber, and a squeeze of lemon. Begin by peeling and mincing the garlic. Core and chop the apple and slice the cucumber. Toss all the ingredients into a blender, give it a whirl, and voila! This smoothie is a powerhouse of antioxidants that aid in reducing cholesterol levels, a key to maintaining heart health. Next on the list is the Berry Garlic Fusion. Gather 1 clove of garlic, 1 cup of mixed berries, a banana, and a splash of almond milk. After preparing the garlic, blend all the ingredients until smooth. The berries and banana provide essential vitamins and fiber, while the garlic works its magic for your heart. Our third recipe is the Tropical Garlic Smoothie. You'll need 1 clove of garlic, half a cup of pineapple chunks, half a cup of mango chunks, and coconut water. Prepare the garlic and blend all ingredients together. This tropical delight is not only delicious, but also rich in heart-healthy vitamins and minerals. The fourth recipe is a garlic and citrus blast. For this, prepare 2 cloves of garlic, 2 oranges, a banana, and a cup of Greek yogurt. After peeling and mincing the garlic, peel and segment the oranges. Blend all the ingredients together. The citrus fruits provide vitamin C, and the garlic adds its heart-friendly touch. Finally, we have the spicy garlic smoothie. For the brave-hearted, gather 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of tomato juice, a dash of hot sauce, and a sprinkle of black pepper. Prepare the garlic and blend all the ingredients. This spicy concoction is a great way to kickstart your day while taking care of your heart. Each of these recipes brings together the goodness of garlic and a blend of fruits, vegetables, and spices. They are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a boon for your heart. Remember, a clove of garlic a day could keep heart troubles at bay. So why not give these smoothies a try? Enjoy the flavor and embrace the health benefits. Here's to a healthier heart with garlic.